What's up, guys? You're welcome to my channel once again. So real quick, in this video we'll be talking about Jasmy. We'll be looking at some potential pullback area and also some potential profit target area, price target area. So looking at the chart right now, Jasmy is currently forming a falling wedge, as you can see. And a falling wedge is a bullish sign. You understand? This is a falling wedge, a perfect falling wedge. So Jasmy is currently forming a perfect falling wedge, and right at the consolidation phase that is happening right now fell at exactly the demand zone. This area you're saying for this volume profile is the demand zone. Demand zone is where there is much liquidity, like a lot of people want to buy from that area, or there's a lot of buying and selling activities taking place there. Demand zone can also be where a lot of price target and like a lot of sell or buy order has been placed by either manually or by grid bots. You understand? So as you can see, Jasmy is currently trading at around that area of 20 cent and also area of 19 cent. So for me, if you ask me, I would say there's no need to panic, because exactly what happened on Binance was what happened when it got listed on Coinbase. So right now, this chart we're on right now is the 1 hour the early time frame, and we're currently on Coinbase. This is Jasmy /USD pair on Coinbase. So when Jasmy got listed on Coinbase, let's just check it out real quick so that you guys will see what's up. Okay, I think I should just head to the daily time frame to kind of make it clear real quick. So looking at the daily time frame, the very day Jasmy got listed, now we're on the daily time frame. That was exactly what played out also when Binance listed Jasmy. You understand? So looking at the daily time frame right now, you will notice this first candle, the very day Coinbase listed Jasmy, which is on the 7th of October. The trading of Jasmy started on Coinbase on the 7th of October 2021, and as you can see, Jasmy went high. It started with 0.4 cent. That is, it started with as low as 4 cent and went high to as high as 9 cent. You understand? Then the next day it dipped. As you can see, on the 8th of October, Jasmy dipped after Coinbase listing. On the 9th, it also dipped. I know a lot of panic sellers will maybe have sold at loss on the 8th, the previous day, and also on the 9th. But as you can see, on the 10th, we picked up. Buyers started stepping in because it started getting a lot of exposure. So when a cryptocurrency gets listed on a new exchange, except if that cryptocurrency is extremely lucky to be listed when the overall crypto market is bullish, that time, yeah, that's when it will perform very, very, very well. So as you guys already know, on my channel, we don't just exaggerate things, we don't just say things, we also verify, and we also make reference to data. You understand? So let's head back to the day Jasmy got listed. Jasmy got listed. The trading of Jasmy started on the 7th of October 2021, and on the 8th of October 2021, it dipped. It dipped to as low as 39 cent. That is, sorry, it dipped to as low as 3 cent. Okay, let's just check something out real quick. Let's head to what's it called? Bitcoin chart. You understand? So we're on the Bitcoin USDT pair on Binance right now. We'll be tracing Bitcoin performance to on the 7th of October to see what really happened. So looking at on the 7th of October, as you can see, we are currently on the 7th of October. This is 7th of October with a red candle, and here's the date. So we are on the 7th of October right now. If you notice, the overall, and you know, Bitcoin is more like the pioneer, you understand, more like the pilot of the crypto space. So whatever happened to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin should dip 2%, altcoins would dip massively, like 10%, 20 tenths of percentage. You understand? They would dip a lot. You understand? So Bitcoin dipped minus 2.7%, almost 3%, on October 7th, 2021. So if you ask me, I would say that was what also contributed to the low performance of Jasmy when it got listed on Coinbase. Like, believe me, you hadn't been Jasmy got listed on Coinbase on the 6th when the market was okay, Jasmy would have performed well. So let's head. I'll come back to this area now. As you can see on the 7th, you understand, Jasmy was the trading of Jasmy opened on the 7th, and that same on the 7th was when the overall cryptocurrency market was in kind of bleeding. So that was what affected Jasmy low performance when it got listed on Coinbase. If you notice, on the 8th, on the 6th of October was a very good day. As you can see, we had a long candle. As you can see, long candle. This is 6th with cool volume. So let's just assume and Bitcoin went as high as 7% that day. Like, if it were that on the 6th that the trading of Jasmy started, the price would have performed well. Okay, enough of the talk. Let's head back to Coinbase, Jasmy Coinbase, to see some stuff, because we need to clear some speculations and doubt, you understand. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is Jasmy on Coinbase. What's happening? So this is Jasmy on Coinbase, Jasmy / USD pair. As you can see, Binance announced that they were going to list Jasmy on the 22nd of November 2021, and as you can see from there, from the Binance announcement, Jasmy rose. Like, we performed really well, you understand. Let's just head to the daily time frame so that we'll see. Okay, good. This is what I'm looking for. So we're on the daily time frame right now. As you can see, Jasmy was in kind of dipping, like it was clearly on a downtrend, when the Binance listing announcement came in and saved Jasmy. So looking at the candle right now, you will notice we performed really well after the Binance listing announcement, which is on the 22nd of November 2021. So let's head over to Bitcoin chart to see where Bitcoin was trading on that 22nd of November 2021. Like, Bitcoin was currently witnessing some level of correction when Jasmy got listed on Binance. Hadn't been Bitcoin was performing well, believe me, the price of Jasmy would have performed extremely well also. So, as always, when Jasmy got listed on Coinbase, it kind of pumped a little bit that very day and then dipped the second day. That was exactly what plays out in the Binance listing. So the Binance listing happened on the 22nd of November, and Jasmy dipped the second day, which is 23rd of November, due to the market situation, market condition, because the overall cryptocurrency market cap is down right now. We've lost roughly $500 billion out of 3 trillion initial overall cryptocurrency market cap, and Bitcoin is currently witness some level of correction. Let's just head to Bitcoin chart now to confirm what we're saying, so that it won't just be as if we're just fabricating stuffs. So this is 22nd of November 2021, and this is the red candle. Bitcoin, could you imagine? Bitcoin dropped -4%. Just imagine. Like, -4. This is 22nd, so that it won't just be as if this guy is just formulating stuff. Bitcoin dropped -4%, and when Jasmy got listed on Coinbase, Bitcoin only dropped -2.7%. But now, as at yesterday, when Jasmy got listed on Binance, Bitcoin dropped, as in the whole crypto market currency was in a bloodbath that day. Bitcoin was -4% that very day. So if you ask me, I would say Jasmy was unfortunately listed when the overall cryptocurrency were kind of witnessing some level of correction. And Jasmy is an altcoin, so you should imagine what will happen to the altcoins. So looking at that 22nd, you will notice Bitcoin was witnessing some level of correction, which also in turn affected Jasmy, because there was a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency space. Looking at the chart right now, you will notice yesterday the cryptocurrency space, the fear and greed index was on neutral, because a lot of people were confused. When it's on neutral, that is, there's indecision making in the market. A lot of people were confused, like, oh, should I buy or should I sell, and drawn out, oh, what's going to happen next, blah blah blah. And I'm looking at the present time, which is today, 23rd of November 2021. We're currently witnessing some level of fear in the crypto space. The fear grid is currently at 33. So you should kind of have some reason why Jasmy is currently dipping after it went as high as 36 cents. 36 cents, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think 36 cents. Yeah. So that's it. Let's just head back to Jasmy and see some potential profit target area. Okay, let me even say something before we go. So looking at the stuff right now, we are currently okay. Yeah. Or maybe I should just leave this one out. You understand? Maybe I should just leave this one out. I wanted explaining something to you guys on Bitrace. Yeah, I guess so. But I should just leave it out and head back to the chart without wasting time. So we've seen the reason why Jasmy performance was in kind of limited. You understand? Was in kind of not as we expected. Okay. So Jasmy, after it got listed on Binance yesterday, it went as high as 36 cents on Binance. And on Coinbase, we're currently on Coinbase, it went as high as 26 cents. That's 81% plus. And on Binance, the percentage should be over hundreds of percentage. So now, like I said earlier, if you ask me, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a content creator and also an animal scientist. But looking at the chart right now, you will notice Jasmy is currently forming a falling wedge. And what's a falling wedge? A falling wedge is a bullish sign. And there's a tendency after forming this falling wedge that we should expect a breakout. And believe me, the next breakout is going to be massive. Okay, let's just prove it. So when Jasmy got listed on Coinbase, we are currently on the Coinbase chart. As you can see, it performed really low. The performance was really low, and it dipped the second day. This is the second day. It dipped the second day, which is on the 8th of October 2021. Now here's the thing. Jasmy didn't really pick up. Like, the price of Jasmy on Coinbase after it got listed there didn't really pick up and start skyrocketing. It took some time to gather exposure. It took a lot of people, investors, some time to know what the Jasmy crypto or coin is all about. Like, real investors don't just FOMO in trade. Like, they are not moved by some temporary rally. They are moved by the real token utility, and they usually make their research before investing. So if you notice, when it got listed on Coinbase, the second day it dipped, and it took some time before the price peaked. And ever since then, I think we've gone up roughly 500% plus, if I'm not mistaken, or hundreds of percentage plus, if not thousands of percentage. So I think we should give Jasmy time, because Binance is actually more bigger than Coinbase. So if, as a result of Coinbase listing, can give Jasmy this much exposure after some days. Like, after the Coinbase listing, a lot of cryptocurrency exchange, CX exchange, started listing Jasmy. So that was exactly what played out after Jasmy got listed on Binance. A lot of cryptocurrency exchange started listing Jasmy also. That's the exposure we're talking about. So now I think we should just endure and give Jasmy some time. Like, a lot of people that get to new Jasmy on Binance will have to kind of make research, have to make decisions before coming into the market. And considering the market condition right now, which is we are in a bearish state in the whole cryptocurrency market condition, as I just showed you, the great index is at 33, which is fear. Yeah. So one of the reason Jasmy also dipped was because of a lot of people unstaked their Jasmy. Like there were Jasmine staking started 9th of November, and was supposed to end today, which is 23rd of November. But a lot of people, I believed, unstaked their Jasmine yesterday to sell because they know the price was going to go up. So there are some conditions and some reasons behind everything that happened in the crypto space, like seriously. But for now, Jasmine staking is still currently ongoing on KuCoin. The staking started on the 5th of November 2021 and is expected to end, the first batch is expected to end on the 1st of January 2021 and also 3rd of February 2021, 1800 UTC. So guys, that will be all for now. My name is Isaac. In case you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Share this video to your friends and family to kind of reduce the fraud, because a lot of people are kind of say, oh, why is Jasmy dipping? Yeah, we're expecting all-time high, we're expecting this. You have to just give it time, you understand? If like great things take time, you understand? And I always advise in my video, invest the amount you can afford to lose. This is cryptocurrency, anything can happen. Like no prediction is 100% accurate, you understand? So that's all. That will be all for this video, and peace out, guys.